Hey friends, if you wish to fix a PDF preview error handler on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So click on File, select Save As. I'm just showing it for an example. Select Browse, and then let's say we will save it as a PDF file for the sake of this example. But we are facing this error. So to counter this error, we will go to Store, open the Microsoft Store, search for Adobe PDF Reader, and then go and install this application because this is supposed to be the default PDF reader, not any other application. Okay, and then we can use this application to open any PDF file. For example, I will try to save it as a PDF. So I will select Microsoft Print to PDF. I click on this. I'll select it on desktop. I will name it test. I will click on this, and the Adobe PDF reader is still installing. Once it installs, I will use it to open this file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.